1, 2, 3. Let's try it out. This is a sour milk. It's been in here for how long?
It was just freshly made.
The fresh milk is always mixed with the milk from the day before.
Yes.
So even though you mix in fresh milk, there's still a sour taste to it.
Yes,
right?
Yes, there's still a sour taste to it.
Can you tell me what he's doing?
What he's going to do, because he's the head of the family, every time we consume it, we don't consume it without him. First, he has to taste it so that he makes sure that there's no poison. Or if there was poison, then it will start with affecting him before it gets to the rest of the family members.
Is this poisoning a big problem?
No, it's not really a big problem.
I'm just saying, if I had like 12 beers, I'd be like, I need to taste all of them first in case there's poison, guys.
No, the poisoning part is just a joke. It's not the main reason behind him having it first. It's just that because he's the head of the family, he always has to do something before everyone does it.
Sir, please, could you do a little quick poison test? I'm looking at it. It looks white. It looks poison-free, if you ask me. But I'm not an expert. He's going at it very confidently. Now, it could be a slow-acting poison. What if it's a poison that takes 1 or 2 days?
Then it will take 1 or 2 days. After 2 days, he's gone.
Yeah, but us too. How do you feel? He's handing it to me.
Yes.
Thank you, first of all.
So usually the male ones in the family, they will be also first to have a sip before the ladies.
Patriarchy. Sorry. How are you feeling?
Rinawa.
Any dizziness?
Koya koka.
How many fingers am I holding up?
All
right, perfect. All right, it sounds good. Some sour milk, let's try it out. Wow, it's almost like a sour liquid cottage cheese. Like there's chunks in it.
Yes.
And there's liquidy bits in it.
And I remember you have told me that you are a fan of cheese, so you might like that.
I probably said that. I'm a cheese fan.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah, it's super flavorful and nutritious, right?
Yes, it is.
I think you get so much nutrition here from the cow milk. All right, good stuff. Fresh. I feel fine. I think no poison.
Really?
Yeah.
How many fingers are you saying?
6.
Then there's poison already.
One of the most impressive things about you is that you have this beautiful pink gown and you don't have any stains on it. You're milking cows, doing heavy labor, no issues.
Thank you.
And even now, you're drinking the milk, you're doing good. Spot free. Tastes good?
Awesome.
Cool. Well, I think we did it. Guys, that is a traditional dessert here with the Herero people. Is that right?